welcome to another vlog. I am here at the Glambox Studio, and I just finished a video collaboration with my fellow YouTuber, Lorraine. She is only 12 years old, and can you believe it? Gumagawa siya ng makeup tutorials, ng vlogs, and she's super shy right now. Oh, shy? Dapat hindi shy mga YouTuber, makakapal dapat mga mukha natin. Pati yun ang outfit of the day mo, dali. Okay, where's your dress from? Bio. Yung necklace mo?
Bigay lang mo ng classmate ko.
Classmate. From, ano name niya?
From MJ.
MJ? Oh, lalaki ba yan?
Di ba babae?
Babae yan, ah. Yung flats?
Pen shop.
Pen shop. Yay! Tapos no makeup look si Rain yun. Wala talagang makeup yan. And we filmed a teenage makeup product recommendation video for everyone. So stay tuned for our video. I'll have it uploaded by the time this video goes up. So go to the information box. I'll also have Rain's link down below. Down below. That's redundant. So thank you, Rain. Thank you for coming. Say hi to Mama for me. Oh, by the way, si Rain ay nag-aaral sa HD Makeup Academy. So pwede pala no age requirement doon. That's so cool. So far, madami ka naman natutunan. Wow. Anong branch yun? Ortigas?
Ortigas po.
Ortigas branch. Masaya yung ano mo. Do you have a beauty blog?
Wala.
No? Okay.
Okay.
Dapat gawa ka para makita mo yung experience mo. Siyempre, di ba, you don't see, ito pala yung mga participants ko for the workshop. Di ba, you don't see 12-year-old kid na, di ba, kids pala. So that's really cool. I'm so proud of you. And if you know, may vlog kami before. Dating-dati pa yun, di ba, Rain? Sobrang tagal na. I'll have the links down below. So we're gonna say bye to Rain now so we can set up and start the workshop. Bye, Rain!
Bye.
Thank you! Shout out to sa mama mo. Mama!
Mommy!
Bye!
Bye!
Okay, so we're gonna vlog. We're about to start the workshop, and I just want to introduce to you guys our model for today. Her name is Yang. You may have seen her in my pre-birthday meet and greet and the workshop sa Makeup Hub. Hi, Yang! And then here are my participants for today. We have 5 gorgeous ladies. Okay lang, introduce niyo yung sarili niyo. Okay, we have...
Hi, I'm Irene.
Irene Patingo, right? Hello! Saan ka galing?
Taguig.
Malayo ba yun? Parang malapit-lapit lang. And then we have
Hi, I'm Kay.
Kay Osana.
From Marikina.
Wow, yun yung malayo. Malayo. Next we have
Hi, I'm Riza from QC.
Yay! And then yung mag-cousins.
I'm Rosette.
Rosette. And then we have
Clarissa.
Clarissa. Ano parang na-meet na kita before?
Before?
Parang
Sa Mansion. From UST.
UST ka rin?
Pero
Cool!
sa accountancy yan.
Cool! Galing. Medyo related yan. Commerce saka ano. Okay, I have all my makeup set up. Medyo magulo kasi magulong tao ako ngayon. Magulo kasi yung buhay ko ngayon. Nakakainis. We're gonna start and we're just gonna vlog through. Basta papakita namin sa inyo. They are now taking off all their makeup because we're gonna apply makeup while discussing the makeup topic, so that if that makes any sense. This is cool kasi para kaming friends lang. Oh, diba? Is Yang. Sleepover. We are now just determining which shades they are sa foundation, and we did the jawline test. I have this jawline test on Yang, and it's obvious na yun yung pinakadulo yung color niya. And I have my students here, lahat sila merong foundation sa kamay. Binigyan ko sila ng iba-ibang shades, and ngayon makikita nila kung alin ang shade nila. Cool, cool. Perfect, sige. Kung ano, okay, we are now on blush, bronzer, and highlight. So we have to hurry up because it's already 12:18 and we have to end by 1. Mali yung time management ko, pero okay lang yan. So we're done with the class. Now we're gonna do the presentation of the certificate of attendance. Let's do it siguro there na lang. How did you find the class?
Ano po, very helpful siya and yun nga, informative.
Did you enjoy?
Yes, of course.
Very helpful siya. Kasi kapag sa video nanonood ka, parang walang magko-correct sa'yo kung tama ba yung ginagawa mo, ganun. So, very informative din siya. So, I enjoyed the class.
Enjoyed the class. class kasi super fun. Tapos, while having fun, na-apply namin yung lahat ng tinuturo.
Yes.
Super informative. Yun. Thumbs up.
Nag-enjoy naman ako sa class. Very informative nga. Tsaka hands-on. Nakakatuwa kasi, kumbaga, sa per person, case to case. So, natutulungan kami sa skin namin, depende sa skin type namin. Gano'n. So, yun. Marami akong natutunan.
Very informative yung class. And then, first time ko rin kasi mag-makeup sa sarili ko. So, yun. Good experience.
So we're finally done na talaga, as in done na. I'm just chatting with 4 lovely ladies. So, naiwan sila kasi inayos ko yung brows nila. Ay, wala tayong before na, pero ayan yung mga brows nila. Brows. Ito si Epa lang. Si Yang. Now, we're gonna go eat. Sayang umalas yung iba kasi sobrang gutom na kami. I was supposed to attend the bridal workshop happening right now, but I'm so hungry and I don't think I can concentrate pag gutom ako. Robot to. Robot siya. Kwenta mo bakit?
Kasi may electric currency kasi. Siya yun.
Ano kami? Static. Grabe. Una okay lang. Yung pangalawa, sakit na. Ikaw din, diba? Sino pa yung isa na static? Robot kayong dalawa. Amin din. We are now having lunch. Late lunch. I'm with 2 of my students and the model for today, Yang and Rosette. And then there's Irene. So we're here at Mr. Rockefeller. Na-trick ko silang kumain dito. Wala lang. Hindi, pero nasarap na talaga. And they wanted to try it as well. So I'm gonna order the usual boneless spirits. Yummy. We now have our food and everyone's Instagramming. Cute. Ako din, tapos na. Oh, by the way, we ordered the same stuff. Lahat kami 4 na boneless spirits. Lang nila sa vlog. Oh, siya may rice siya. Ang naiba lang yung mashed potato. O yan, di ba? Pare-pareho kami. Mr. Rockefeller. Boneless spirits. Try nyo. After 3 hours, no? Tapos na kaming kumain. After 3 hours, sobrang dami namin pinag-usapan. I am so happy talaga na we had this lunch with Yang, with Irene, and Rosette. Super saya, promise. Dumating na yung bag ko, sabi ni Mama. I finally got my bag from Abby Hoxton. It only took like 2 days and then I got it. Ewan ko 2 days lang or 1 day lang. We have a paper bag here with the logo Abby Hoxton. You can find them at abbyhoxton.com. Their website is up. Uy, gusto ko yung bag na ano, eco bag. Cool beans. Ayan, website. Now let me show you the bag. Ooh, cool. Ay, nakrampol. Na-deform.